We got another good one on though. Ooh. Yeah. Other way. That thing's ripping. You see the other one chasing or with him?
So you catch them,
Yeah.
throw them back in there, then they die within like a couple.
No.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. I've seen them.
They don't die.
No.
Yeah, I've seen them.
All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to Chicago. We're down here on the Chicago Riverwalk looking to sight fish some carp. They are kind of courting around and spotting, so hopefully we can get one to bite. Last year when we was here, it was kind of tough. I mean, they're everywhere. You can see them. You just can't get them to bite sometimes, but I think we'll luck into a few today. We're using corn and 15 and 20 pound braid with 20 and 15 pound leaders and fluorocarbon, and let's see if we can't hook into a big one. So we know exactly where they're at. There's only a few spots where they really like to hang out. We're gonna try this spot right now. This is the main spot, right along the wall and everything out here. Just corn with a little size 2 J hook, split shot. This should be fun. It's always fun fishing down here. Just get a lot of people walking around and crowds. All right. Oh, look, there's one right there. Didn't look so interested. Nope. Oh, here comes a good school of them. No interest. That one's a little interested. I've also got night crawlers too. Small one had it right in his mouth. You get one? Dad's on. Let me go ahead and reel mine up. Well, yeah. Other way. That thing's ripping. There you go. That's a good one.
Yeah,
Yeah, I had one spit out, and I think it might have been the same one that hit yours. Oh yeah, don't let him get underneath. There's a ledge under here, and they will break you off on it.
It's a spider wire.
Yeah, that's 20 pound braid. Oh, it's a good one, Dad.
I know.
You guys see that? That's a good one.
You have to go through the net, go through the thing.
When you get him where you want to get him. Oh, my hand's stuck. Oh, we got him. That's a good fish.
He gave a good fight. Did you see him ripping that out like that?
Yeah. He was peeling drag.
Yeah, he was. I thought.
Look, he's a male.
What is it?
They are spawning.
That's male, that's male?
Yeah. It's a nice carp.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Well done.
Out of the Chicago River.
Jeez.
What kind of fish is it?
That's a common carp.
That's nice.
Yeah. We're getting back. They're spawning right now.
What else you catch?
Oh, you got him. No, he just took it.
I can't see.
No, I can tell you, he just hit it and just spit it out.
He keeps running from me. He's eating. I think it's a giant gizzard shad. Oh. Yeah. He broke me clean off.
Oh, wow.
Man, I just had one break me off. Better retie real quick. Got one right there, feeding on the wall. Got him. Just don't go under the ledge, buddy. He's taking me for a walk. We got another good one on though. Ooh. Yeah, they've been out here spawning and just courting around, chasing each other. And I seen him feeding on moss on the wall. That means he was ready to eat something. All right, you want to go ahead and put the camera down? Get him right. Uh-oh. Now he's fighting. You're good. I'll get him right to you. You're good. He's a good size one. Now he's wanting to fight. He didn't have fight in him at first. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy. I'll let you go. Look at him. He looks so cool in the water like that. Easy, friend. Look, that other one's chasing him. Turn his head away from that wall. That's funny, them other carp are still hanging with him like that. This rod ain't got as much backbone as that other one. You tired yet, friend? Come on. He's in there. My Sprite.
Okay.
Let's drop my brand new Sprite in the water. Can you hold him down? I'm gonna try to get my Sprite. Okay, I got my drink. I need that. It's the only drink I got. Look at that, dude.
Good looking.
It's a good
Very
fish. Perfect hook set too.
Do they always fight that hard?
Harder. This one was kind of lazy.
Oh, gotcha.
I think they're wore out because they're spawning right now.
Oh, gotcha.
They're starting to spawn. These males are too worried about chasing these females up and down the river. Got it. Another good fish. It's a common carp. We got that one to bite, didn't we? Let's get a release on it. Whew. That was fun. Look, he's tired. Sweet. Yeah, they can see that split shot on there. They're kind of like spooked by it. So I raised it up and he went for the corn. All right, guys, we're gonna walk down a little bit, let this spot cool off. I see one right there and right there.
I think they're the same ones.
But we're just gonna spot check. We're just gonna look over this handrail and look under all the bridges as we walk down, fish a little bit, and hopefully come back as boat traffic's starting to pick up a little more, and carp are getting a little spooked. One just jumped. This is craziness. I literally just seen one right here somewhere. Where'd you go, buddy? Yeah, I just seen one swim through here. There he is. Look, 3 or 4 of them. He's going for it. Oh, he missed it. You see where he went? Yeah.
Back in there, then they die within like a couple.
No.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
I've been fishing my whole life.
They don't die.
No.
Yeah, I've seen them.
You catch them, you get them back in the water as quick as you can.
Once you catch them, they start bleeding. So
Just a little. They heal up.
yeah, well, they end up dead like.
People have no idea. They're uneducated. No, they do not.
Here comes one.
Here.
One right there.
Oh my gosh. Jumbos. Oh my gosh, that's a monster. They're feeding too. What is it?
What do you guys do?
Carp. Yeah, I'm about to hook one, maybe. Oh, I want that big one. Yeah, I only seen that one. Oh,
Get my camera
got him. This is a smaller one. I just dropped down. We're on our way back through, but we got another one. You got the net? We walked all the way upstream there and seen them jumbos, but they just weren't biting. There we go. You see the other one chasing or with him? That's wild.
out. net him?
Yeah, let's go ahead and net him. I got him.
I'm gonna take it down lower.
You take it down lower. Okay.
Great job. Great, well done.
Let me pick him up before he guys. There we go. That was kind of a surprise bite. I just had my bait sitting down there. Didn't even see him come up. He took me by surprise. Now, let's get this hook out of him. All right, back you go. All right, so it's getting later in the day, and this boat traffic and wind is still giving us problems, but it's like all the fish are going down a little bit deeper now. We're not seeing as many sight fishing, so we'll stick it out and see what we can't do.